sleeve pattern to sleeve. So, from the edge of your pattern paper here downward, measure 1 inch, 1 inch here, and the sideward is only a half inch. Then draw a straight line sideward and downward. Put the edge here 1. So from 1 to the left, measure the length of your sleeve, point 2. If your length of sleeve, for example, is 8 inches, then put 2. From point 2 to the left, measure 1.5 inches for allowance, then point 3. Then square the line up to up, up line, then 3, 1 inch here, go up line. 1 to 4, standard ito. Measure 4 inches. Depende dito. Ito na area, depende ito. Ang iba, 3.5. Ito is polo. Sa sa naaralan ko is 4. Then, point 4. After that, point 4, make a line up. Same as 2 and 3. 1 to 5, measure 1/2 of your armhole. So, ang armhole mo, kunyari, is 16. So, ang half niyan is 8. I-ano mo ng 8 dito, hanapin mo ang 8, align mo sa 4. So, anyan. Align mo sa 4, dyan ang 5 mo. Yan, 5. Then, draw a curved line. So, kung wala kang, di ka marunong, kasi first time mo, gamitin mo ng curve. Ganyan. Ayan. Yan. Yan. Then, dito, sa 2, 1/2 of your circumference of your arm. Kung ilan, kunyari 6. So, lagay mo dito 6, then 0.6. Ito, 0.5. Then, dito 6. Then, connect 5 to 6 with a straight line. Pag ginupit mo yan, itupi kasi ito eh. Ganyan ang ano niyan eh. Ang labas niyan eh. Huwag mong i-straight kasi maano ka, ma-short ka ng allowance mo sa sa sleeve mo. Itupiin ko, makita nyo. Yan, magganyan ka ng linya kasi para sa front, makita mo, hindi ka malito pag gupit mo. Ito ang front, ito ang back.